Hello, welcome to our channel. Semaxin contains ingredients that effectively 1. Increase the amount of semen. 2. Strengthen an erection. 3. Stimulate sexual desire. Semaxin is a top-quality food supplement, with ingredients that support male fertility and potency. They effectively improve the quality of semen and help to maintain men's sexual functions. The effects are really surprising. See how it works for yourself. How does Semaxin work? The process of spermatogenesis weakens with age. There is also a significant decrease in testosterone levels. This causes sexual performance and fertility to be compromised and, as a result, problems with self-confidence arise in key situations. The ingredients contained in Semaxin reduce these symptoms, stimulate the sperm production process and contribute to maintaining men's sexual functions. Regular use of the product effectively increases sexual desire, so you are ready for intimacy regardless of age, and a phenomenal orgasm is its crowning achievement. Research confirms Semaxin's effectiveness. Semaxin is a combination of 12 carefully selected ingredients with clinically proven effects. The combination of plant extracts, vitamins, minerals, amino acids and antioxidants contained in the product resulted in the creation of an extremely effective food supplement. The ingredients of Semaxin support the process of spermatogenesis and increase the mobility of sperm. They improve the quality of semen, increase the level of antioxidants and inhibit oxidative stress, which can reduce testosterone levels in the body and disturb the function of the testicles. Semaxin contains a composition that supports fertility and additionally restores sexual fitness. How does the Semaxin composition work? Supports the process of spermatogenesis, improves the quality and volume of semen, strengthens an erection and increases the libido, stimulates the testosterone production process. What does Semaxin contain? N-acetyl-L-cysteine, an important amino acid, which is used in the body, among others, to synthesize glutathione, an antioxidant protecting the DNA of cells. This is very important for genetic material in semen. Astragalus root extract, 16% polysaccharides. Research has shown that it stimulates sperm mobility, which has a positive effect on male fertility. It possesses antioxidant properties and supports mental and physical well-being. Vitamin E, vitamin B12, folates, zinc and selenium select a set of essential vitamins and minerals that improve quality of semen and the proper course of spermatogenesis. Regular use of these ingredients effectively supports fertility and increases testosterone levels. Tribulus terrestris fruit extract, 40% saponins, increases potency. Conducted research proved that it has a positive effect on fertility. Saffron flower extract, stimulates the libido, effectively improves an erection and contributes to increasing the amount of semen. Ashwagandha root extract, the effect of this ingredient improves sperm mobility and quantity. Numerous studies have proven that it effectively improves male reproductive abilities. Guarantee of safety and efficiency. 100% natural ingredients. Semaxin's formula is 100% natural. When reaching for this product, you have confidence in its effectiveness and the absence of side effects. Satisfaction guarantee. Semaxin is covered by a 90-day money-back guarantee. If the product does not meet your expectations, please return the empty packaging for a refund. Frequently asked questions. How does Semaxin work? Semaxin is a comprehensive food supplement that supports men's sexual performance. It stimulates semen production, strengthens erections and improves the libido. Why is it worth buying Semaxin? Deciding to buy Semaxin, you are sure to receive the highest quality food supplement containing ingredients with proven effectiveness. When will I see the effects of Semaxin? The first effects can be observed after just a month of taking the food supplement regularly. Does the product cause side effects? The Semaxin formula is 100% safe, free of unnecessary fillers and based on carefully tested ingredients. Can I order the product abroad? Yes, we can ship orders abroad. In what kind of packaging is the product delivered? We ship the product in a package that does not reveal its content. We guarantee full discretion. How do I take Semaxin? The recommended dose is 2 capsules per day between meals. The capsules should be taken with about 300 milliliters of water. What if the product doesn't meet my expectations? Plus, Semaxin has a unique 90-day money-back guarantee. If the product does not meet your expectations for any reason, you just need to send back the empty packaging to receive a refund. Your sex life will get better. 1. Increases the amount of semen. 2. Strengthens an erection. 3. Stimulates sexual desire. For more details visit our description box. Subscribe for next video.